I've now got to reverse this one on up the ramps at the top there. It's the first time I've reversed one on, so this is the first edition 3, is it?
Correct, yep.
In the country? Or,
yep.
Yeah. How much is one of these new?
180, 190.
Oh, yeah, cool. We'll get the hide stick out in a minute. That is quite hot.
Mind them flaps, don't rip them off.
A sticker, by the way, on the door there. The flaps are right.
They're a bit scuffed now, Tim.
I don't know if my V8 will pull all this weight. So 16.6 is our maximum. Been doing my research.
You're on top of the air kit, so I'd say so.
Well, that's max. 5 metres, and that is our maximum. What's that? 500 is. It's off the chart. The only other thing is my suspension aired out a little bit there. How tall is the DAF? Is the DAF shorter?
Potentially.
Oh! I can edit this to make it look like we've done it all in one nice smooth.
Step slowly, slowly. Whoa!
If that side skirt went there, we're alright.
I'll tell you what, can you get the spanner on?
Get out of the way. Go on then.
Jesus Christ, what sort of threads you got on this? Are we still...
You still on?
I don't think I was on it. Try now.
Oh.
Should be gone.
Oh, 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 oh.
Got to strap all this on yet.
Day in the life of Trucker Tim.
Very good.
Side skirt off. Whoa! Whoa!
Back in here again.
What do you think to the steps of the Mercedes? They're quite nice, aren't they?
Yes, they are quite nice. Are we on?
It's going to be very, very tight.
Yeah, we're going to need an inch. But I think we've got enough space. I'll get back in.
Hey Tim, what are them steps like?
They're nice. I'm giving them a good test.
Perfect.
It's not my first day. I have done this before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Strapping. Watch and learn, Tom. I'll fall off there now. See? Can you hear that pulling? You getting them strapped on? Is that a big car?
It's a little... Yeah.
I don't want to lose my splitter. We're fully loaded. But it is the same day. I've just got changed. I've been issued a cooler t-shirt. I'd like to just let you hear the tones.
Okay.
Provided by yourselves.
Whoa.
Don't pull up here because it won't happen. No.
No.
No. This is the trouble. I don't want to say anything. She's stuck on the curb now.
On them trucks.
We're out. Flick of a switch.
Oh, I got the sound of that.
V8! I think this is the most weight I've had on it.
Is it?
She's struggling. Go on, John.
Where are all the steering controls?
Here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yep.
That is a top-notch conversion, that.
Trees. I think we'll be alright. No, I know we'll be alright, but I'm still a little bit nervous for the first bridge.
An unmarked bridge should be over 5 metres.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Woo! As long as there's no low bridges near where we're going.
I don't think so. No. Well, I haven't checked. You know you said you're putting the aircon on. Is that the windows down? Is that the aircon?
No, I have got aircon. If the aircon does fail, Tim, what else have we got?
We have a pod.
Supplied by yourselves.
Supplied and fitted by Cuda.
Link in the description.
Yeah.
10% off with code TruckerTim.
We'll give you some tones.
Look at that, Tim. Crane on it. That's a beast. He's got driving gloves on in there.
Both of these trucks have got our air kits
yellow
on,
and
Tim.
white ones.
The yellow and white ones,
Both
yeah.
your Cougar air kits.
Yeah. One there has actually got laser eye on it as well.
What's that mean?
It means that the spoiler adjusts automatically to the height of the trailer.
Oh, really?
It's got a laser sensor in the back of the spoiler.
Right.
As you back up to the trailer, it looks at the trailer,
Really?
figures out the height and adjusts it.
Handy. What are the numbers? What do you get?
Near enough a mile per gallon.
If you've got 60 trucks or 100 trucks, that's 100 miles per gallon.
It's
That's a lot of money.
difference. It is.
So if you've got a fleet, get in touch with Cuda. Get you some more MPGs. Was that good?
Yeah, that's great, yeah.
That's 50 quid. It's a quick question.
Yeah.
Did Mercedes know you've given me
The truck?
the edition free to move?
I haven't. I may have mentioned that we were moving it.
You didn't even ask for my insurance documents.
They look okay. There's still two there.
5.7 metres.
Oh yeah, we've got loads of it.
He's giving us a tank. Yeah, you?
Oh, success.
Great success. Nice trolley. What's your name?
Just eat.
Just Eat?
Yeah.
I think we're doing an alright job.
So?
They're not touching, are they?
No chafage.
What's your name, mate?
Brett Hodge.
Brett.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Brett. What's your boy's name?
Lewis Hodge.
Lewis Hodge. Shout out Lewis Hodge.
Trucker Tim blocking the road at Cambridge service station to take a picture. Happy with
Yeah,
that?
sorry, yeah, I got a good shot. Yeah. I got a good shot. Just holding everybody up.
And we're off.
We're away.
There's a couple of low trees.
Yeah, try and keep that their way. Can you cross a solid white line for low trees? Oh. That is a very big one, that one.
That is, I think we're clear of that one.
Can't hit that.
No.
Put the indicator on to go around a tree. They're brave sitting that close behind.
They are brave.
2.5 ton weight limit. He's got blue beacons on his roof. Oh, just an Audi RS6 down here.
Mind these trees.
Yeah. Look at the carnage we're causing. Is this the official route, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. How far away are we? I can't take much more of this.
1.5 miles.
That's JK, they move trucks.
What do you think to all that noise, Tim? You like that?
Beautiful noise.
Oh, hello. Exhibitors.
Yes.
RTX.
That's us.
Oh my
We
word.
made it.
Gotta check the fairing.
Oh, we
now.
gotta check that. Look.
Oh.
It looks a little bit low.
Yeah, we got some trees here, Tim. We made it under there.
Here we go.
Volvo here as well. I've drove that electric Volvo.
It's good.
Bev. We're going to call the truck Bev. John Warby.
Get me right.
Nice
I'm
to
John.
meet you.
How are
Yeah.
you? George for Broken Trees.
Broken trees? Oh, so how does he know? Plug into a greener future.
The XPO show, Stone Lee. For Tim's viewers, near Coventry. Take your time.
There was a couple of low trees, Tom. We'll be right going out.
You remember me, don't you?
Do I?
Sean Taylor.
Sean Taylor. Yes, I do remember you. This from the services.
Yeah,
Well, you got a different mode of transport today.
I organise all this, mate. So,
Do you?
Yeah, I'm part of the team on this one.
Come on in, Tom. How was your journey?
It was a lot better than yours, I reckon. A lot of foliage in the back, dear boy.
We've done some pruning.
Pruning. Oh, she sounds
yes!
beautiful. Oh yeah.
Also supplied by yourselves. Yeah, I you recorded that.
Burnout, burnout, burnout.
That's how much room we had with the DAF. Not a lot of room there. Those lights are awesome though. Very nice truck indeed. Do love all this carbon fibre. Fred Parker over there. Look at that. That looks smart on there. Did you put these lockers in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at these.
Cab store.
Cab store lockers. I like the light. Do you do the light as well?
Yeah. And they got lights inside as well.
TV as well. Right, I'll get the other one off. Oh, Tim! It's like a truck show. Where's the T-cab, Josh?
At home.
At home. You'll recognise Josh from Cine Content, where you was giving us plenty of black smoke.
You gonna make smoke?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Oh.
Got to be careful here.
Yeah, be careful here, yeah.
He's got green flashing lights on his and lovely pipes. Where's
Yeah.
yours?
My blue ones are coming. Oh, look. She's Manuel.
Yeah.
I love that. Very nice indeed. I'll let you crack on. You alright? Yes, lovely. Don't forget, if you want to win this truck, all you have to do is subscribe to Kudu Automotive's YouTube channel and you could win this truck. Thank you very much, Tom, for all your assistance. Cheers, Tim.
Cheers, Tim.
See you again. Look at that. 750. That's an F88 on there. Love that trailer. This looks like a really good show, to be honest. We've got an hour and 45 minutes back to Sean's. Let's go! At least we haven't got to worry about these trees now. Yeah! Love it! Let's give data shredders some tones. Lombardo HQ. Oh my god, what's going on here? Oh, what is going on? Qu'est-ce que c'est the Luminia?
Tell me where you're going, tell me where you've been.
Jeez, I feel like I'm queuing for the boat outside yours. What's going on here?
I've got to do a big swap over now.
Do you want me to wait out here or what? It's a bit chaos, isn't it?
Yeah, stay out there for a minute.
Okay, drive. Come and try out my Romanian, see if they want to be on content. How many days to Romania?
4 days.
3?
4.
4 days. 4 driving. 4. While Sean does his freight forwarding service, on an upcoming video, I am going to take out the 4 Series engine. I'm going to do it all myself. You think I'm joking? That is coming up on a video. We're going to do it properly, because obviously we've done all this bit. New flitches, new cross members, rear axle. We haven't done this cross member, we haven't done that one, and we basically don't know what the chassis valves are like in there, so we said get the engine out and do it properly. But I'm going to take the engine out myself. Gearbox first. Gearbox mounts here and here, undo all those nuts and bolts, attach the gearbox to the engine. I'm excited to start that job, make good content. Are you in the swing of it now?
No.
Just recently we seem to be going very European on the channel. I don't think your husband will be home for tea tonight. There's a full lorry load.
Oh, they didn't tell us it was a full lorry load.
Oh yeah.
They said a
Hope
half.
you're charging well.
They said a half load.
Uh-huh. Yep. How's it going, mate?
Not very well.
What happened?
Well, you know them blue ones? Yeah.
The narrow ones.
The narrow ones.
Yeah.
They said to me, two. I said two.
2 at once?
Yeah. So they opened my tines up. I said, well, it'll fall in the middle. No, be good.
Are you alright, mate?
No.
Why did you take this on?
Well, I didn't really.
I got pens thicker than that cable, mate. Look, your power cable's thicker than the winch.
Look at it. It says
XD170.
professional winch.
You're a professional truck driver, but I've seen you park.
This is the one Sean recommended to me.
Is it now?
Yes, sir.
AliExpress, is that what you ordered?
Yeah, that'll be the one. Yeah, I didn't pay that much.
Who are you going to call when the cable snaps and the lorry goes flying off into
Sean.
a ditch? £17,000.
Yes.
Pounds, not tons.
Pounds to tons, here we go.
8 ton.
You wouldn't recommend that, wouldn't you?
No.
I see you're getting nearly done now.
Oh, I'm getting there.
How do you feel about beacons and beers?
A beer, yes. Beacons? I'm not so sure about them. Why? What's happened?
What?
Well,
What's happened?
well,
This isn't.
Come on, terrible, isn't it?
What you done, mate? You got very good hair.
Yeah, there you are. Professionals are here.
What happens when you leave everything on? I'm going to sneak some AdBlue in while Sean's not looking. Look at that steer arm. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? She's full. Put that there. I think I got away with that. He didn't see me do it, so he'll never know. Do you need some? Yes, he needs some. You're alright, okay. Do you want coming home, I thought, me and Sean will do them beacons this afternoon. That'd be nice.
Yeah, you know,
But no,
you
you
never
had a couple of Romanians
plan
here.
anything with me. It just never goes to plan.
No, you had a couple of Romanians here. What you got in the tanker?
Poo.
I got these from LA Light Bars.
Right.
Shout out to LA Light Bars, put a link in the description.
Starting to wonder why we need a 6-inch hole saw then. Yeah.
Specially designed.
Yeah.
You see those 4 nuts there?
Right.
That slides in,
Yeah.
they go back in, hole saw in your air kit. Beacon goes through the air kit and onto there.
I enjoy
And then
that.
I've got a 3-way switch, so when I flash my lights, they'll do a. You got a 6-inch hole saw?
No. Look at his bag.
I gave him that.
Did you?
Yeah. This is a service kit.
Yeah.
With attitude. It's a bigger service kit than my
Even got
Scania one.
Genuine brake pads.
No expense spared, Lavy.
Why have you ordered 2 of these?
What's that?
Anyone want one?
When you was looking for a new truck, Lavy, was you specifically looking? Was you really looking for a blue one? Had to be blue. And this is the blue, the new blue. So if you see the video where I drove Lavy's truck on one of its last journeys, this is the replacement. The replacement on content.
New blue.
New blue. It's all been revealed.
Couple of cable ties and a bit of silicone.
There she is, all parked up next to Nipper's trailer. He's currently on the way back from Scotland with a very special truck, which you'll see in an upcoming episode. Andy's in there, he's having his tea. Got something to show you, Andy.
Homemade curry. Oh. It's actually very, very tasty. My good wife made it for me.
I did a job for Cuda today. You are gonna like this. Look, Andy.
Oh, you moved their special DAF.
Yes, they're giving away.
And the 63,
that
the
is
new Merc. The
edition 3.
Yes, I've seen it, yes.
First one in the UK.
I've seen it, yeah.
I moved it today on this video.
Yeah. It's a
And
nice
you're on
truck.
the end.
Yeah.
Give us a summary of your day, Andy.
Today I went to the dentist.
Oh.
So yes, and then apart from that I went to Harwich. Got
Harwich?
attacked by a seagull. Quite good fun.
I'll leave you to your tea. Don't want to keep you any longer. Enjoy the rest of your evening in the cabin.
I will.
And what are you watching on telly tonight?
Police interceptors.
Wow.
I like watching the police. Respect to the law.
I do, Andy. I mean, we respect the law.
Respect the law. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So I've just got home to Mrs. Truckerton. Evening, dear. Oh,
Evening.
did you have to sign for it?
No, I left it on the doorstep.
Oh, great. Oh, you'll like this, Helen. I've been waiting for this for so long.
When you say you've been waiting for this for ages, I know that's not true. How do I know that's not true, Tim? When was this picture taken, Tim?
Last week. Look at that. That is awesome.
What are you going to do with it?
We thought about that.